Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to schedule messages on your Android phone. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So first, open your messaging app on your Android phone. Most Android devices now support message scheduling directly inside the default Messages app. Next, open a conversation with the person you want to message or start a new chat. Type the message you want to send just like normal. Now, instead of tapping the Send button once, press and hold the Send button for a few seconds. A scheduling menu should appear on your screen. You'll now see different time options like later today, tomorrow morning, or choose your own custom date and time. Select the time you want the message to be sent. After choosing the schedule, tap the Send or Confirm button. That's it. Your message is now scheduled and will automatically send at the selected time, even if you forget later. You can also edit or delete the scheduled message before it sends. Just open the conversation, tap on the scheduled message, and choose Update or Delete if needed. This feature is really useful for birthday wishes, reminders, work messages, or texting someone at the right time without staying awake or remembering later. And that's how you schedule messages on an Android phone in just a few simple steps. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like as that helps.